haven't got the fire lit today. You can see everything's sweating in here because it's been so cold. I haven't been very well myself, so I don't fancy lighting the fire, but I do want to try briefly to make the most part of anyway of an eyeball punch, something I've been working on a lot, animal faces and such have you, and I don't have much success with the eyes at all. I think they need more detail. Now here I've got some 1/2 inch diameter vehicle coil spring, which I've straightened out reasonably well on a previous occasion. What I intend to do is put it in the vise, try and centre dot as close to the centre as I can here, and then put him in the pillar drill and drill an appropriate sized recess in the end. Following that, I'll then grind the end to produce the shape I want. Righto then. Putting the end of the piece on the shaft of the vise so it won't drive down when I hit it to centre punch it. Give it a nice light little dink. So we'll see. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yes, happy with that. Good on now. There we go, I think that's pretty central. Now I reckon that's going to take, well, it would take a fairly large drill bit, that would, because that's 12 to 14 mil wide. But I don't need an eyeball punch that big. Certainly for most of the animal heads I do. So I'll have a think. 6 mil I think, because that'll leave me a couple of mil around the outsides. Often use 8 or 10 mil, 12 mil material. So I'll put a 6 mil drill through it. He's asking for proper trouble. I thought my drill table had got a hole in the middle. It hasn't. So this is a bit iffy really, I think. To be honest. I'm not so sure this is going to work. Totally offset. Nothing to do with where I put the centre punch. Oh dear, lots of work to do here, isn't there? That's more like it, I think. Deeper than that. Still, it's offset to one side, but it's not as bad as it was. That might be about right. Come on. Desperately offset to one side, that isn't it? But hopefully I can grind that now to give a result. We'll see. I know the light isn't very good here, but here we go. Progress. Need to get that weight down there and there, then I match that really. That's a good width away from the hole. they don't do that, don't they? I can see why and all. Right, there we go. I actually need to do the other end of it, don't I, for heating. Silly me. There we go then. Give that a blast next time we get the fire hot, eh? There we get on.